This model kit review is of the twin Mustang F-82G, and it's a 1/72nd scale model by Monogram. And here you see some pictures of the finished model. Colors needed. There's another picture. It's a very strange looking plane. The dimensions, some of the details about it here. And let's have a look inside. So here are our wings. It's the lower portion of the wing, and fairly well molded. We do actually have some details inside the wheel well here. Here's the outer wings. These are all raised panel lines and rivet lines. Here we have our fuel tanks, and looks like the instrument panels. Also have our back part of the spinner and our fuselages. Fair amount of surface detail, fairly well molded. And we have our bombs. We actually even have some detail, minimal, on the inside there of the fuselage and cockpit. Here's the other side of the fuselage, or the other fuselage. We have some rockets and landing gear. We even have two pilot figures. There's some mold lines, there typically are on these pilots. Here's our two cockpit canopies. And the last sprue, we have our seats. Wheel well covers, our wheels, the guns, our propellers, and tailplane. Wheels are there. Here's our air intake, the lower portion of the cockpit canopy, and actually these are probably the instrument panels. Here are our decals, fair amount of detail, well printed. So, let's have a look at here are the colors needed again. And here are our assembly instructions. Put the wings together with the guns, then the cockpits go together inside the fuselage, and that then goes onto the wing. We then do the other one, and that goes into the other side. And our air intakes, the tail wing, then our landing gear and bombs. Fuel tanks, and we have the rockets and the optional central, I guess that would be a fuel tank. Canopy and remaining body parts go on, propellers, and here is the painting and decal guide. Here's another option here. So, strange looking plane, reasonable molding, not much detail, good decals.